I gotta say that I'm really surprised about this bonsai. I mean, hey, I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 20-inch artificial bonsai that this brand sent to me for this video. And I'm really surprised about how good this one is, how kind of like how nice it looks as an artificial bonsai. You know, this is not real, but if you don't have the green thumb and every green you touch turns into decay, so then you have this one as a nice office decoration. You can see that this one is actually pretty well made. It has a kind of like I want to say that the look for like a super old bonsai, of course, is 20-inch old, but it also comes with it's actually heavy, by the way. It's actually pretty heavy, but it also comes with the roots you can see over there, as well as kind of like a really nice base. But I do like to say that I'm kind of like surprised about the details about this one. It's big, it's heavy, 20 inches, but it looks really good. You know, you can kind of like perfect some of the ranches if you want. You can move them a little bit. You can actually, they're all glue, so I wouldn't kind of like take them away. But if you want, you can do it and just glue them back in case you want to treat them over or something like that. But I have to say that again, I'm surprised in how good this one looks. And for sure, this is gonna be a new decoration in my office because again, if you don't have the green thumb and you can take care of plants, there's always an alternative. Of course, it's artificial, one more time, 20 inches, and it looks really, really nice. I do like this one, and I give it a thumbs up.